Morning, back out again, down in Allendale, just down past Hexham in the Tyne Valley, Northumberland. So we're just going to have a walk around, go up on the fells, have a bit of an adventure, and just as always, see what we can see. So that's Allendale down there, you can probably see it's just a farmhouse, behind them trees, there's a little town there, that's where I parked the car, and we're just going to continue up and over and see what we can see. It's a lovely sunny day, it's a bit blustery, but yeah, it's a nice day for walking, so let's go make the most of it. So on the tops now, see the chimney? So I was hoping to stop here and have a bit of lunch with the stove on, but it's not that sheltered, so we'll crack on and see where we end up. Well, we know where we're going to end up. We're going to end up in Allendale because it's down the hill. Well, that's where we're heading, and so that's where we're going to end up. So that was a bit of a silly remark, but anyway, we'll carry on and if we get a bit of shelter, because it's about 2 o'clock now and I'm starving. Thank Marvin. Right. Carry on, we got this. Right. Found a little shelter. Oh, look at this. Oh, so we're going to sit here and we're going to have me Mexican beans I got from Aldi for 49 pence. So I'm going to cook them and sitting here. Look at that. Hey! Sit inside a chimney and have chilli and pita bread and a double decker out of the wind and the rain. Excellent. Right guys, that's me back at the car. Had a great walk up on Allendale, up on the fells. There's a guy called Wayne, actually gave us the map from the High Tide Adventure Company. There's all sorts of adventures. Get yourself on the internet or on Facebook and check them out. There's all sorts, scrambling through waterfalls, shooting, field shooting, just also coast steering, all sorts. So yes, so fantastic walk. Definitely keep that one again for another day. Started off really sunny, and got out wet and windy, especially up on the top, but that's England for you. But yeah, we've enjoyed it, so we're back in the car, got the heaters on, and just warming up a little bit, and back home for a beer. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe as always, and we'll see you on the next one. See you later.